Hello, Christian. What is that you are carrying? That box looks really heavy. Oh, that's the Lagree Fitness Lift Kit. Would you say it would be best to carry it between two people? That's what I thought. All right, everyone, go find help if you want to install the lift kit. And please, watch your back. Okay, let's start with step 1. Remove the handlebars from your Micro Pro. Speedy camera time. If you don't know how to install or uninstall the handlebars from your Micro Pro, watch the video on our Lagree Fitness YouTube channel. But it is very easy. You just pull the pin, push or pull the handlebar, and that's it. The reason we remove the handlebars is just to make the process easier. In a moment, we are going to need to flip the Micro Pro over, and the handles would get on our way. Let's continue with step 2, which is removing both platforms, if you have both of them. By the way, there is a platform installation video on our Lagree Fitness channel. Go check it out. But let me tell you, it is very easy to remove these new platforms. All you need to do is loosen the two big knobs on the back of the platforms by turning them to the left and pull the platform out. It may take some time, but it will come out. Just like that. Let's set the platform somewhere safe. This will also give us some room to work. Okay, so I think we are ready to unbox the lift kit. Carefully take the top off, then throw it away. Okay, so what's in the box? A bag with tools and hardware. Very nice. What else is in that box? A bunch of pieces of protective cardboard. A center bracket. This is like a base for the platforms. And there's 2 of them. More protective cardboard. And more. Neta. And more. One of the lift kit legs. One more leg. There is probably 2 more, 2 for each side. This one is called cross member. Don't ask me why. See? 2 more legs. And finally, another cross member. Now let's prep our working area. By the way, have you seen all the Micro Pro installation videos? Check them out if you haven't. All right, time to remove the front platform. Remember how to remove it? That's right, just unscrew it by turning the 2 big knobs on the back of the platform. Take your time, breathe in, breathe out, and keep on turning those knobs. Almost there? That's it. We will put this platform away too. Let's make some more room. We will need it. The next step is to remove the feet at the bottom of both ends. Let's start by removing 2 out of 4 screws that hold the feet of the machine. Use the provided Allen key for that. Check it out. Proceed to untight. Once those 2 screws are out of there, go to the back of the machine, then remove the 2 top screws of the second foot. There are 2 more screws at the bottom of each foot. We will remove them later on. For now, keep up the good work. Time to remove the next 2 screws. Sometimes the screws are very tight. Make sure to put enough force to loosen them. Once done, we will proceed to flip the Micro Pro. When flipped, we recommend leveling the Micro Pro. For this, we will use one of the cardboard blocks. Mr. Christian is too strong, but you should get someone to help you flip the Micro Pro. These are the 2 remaining screws that hold the feet. Let's remove them. Great. Now let's remove the remaining foot. 2 more screws and we're good to move on to the next step. If you plan on using your Micro Pro lifted from now on, then you won't need these 2 feet anymore. But you can save them just in case. Okay, now that we have more room, we're ready to install the lift kit. Let's do it! All right, do you see those 2 side holes on the monorail? That's where we are going to screw the center bracket. Align the holes, then hand tight the screws as much as possible. This might require some concentration, but you got this. Once the screws are in properly, tighten them using your 5/32 inches key. Once the center bracket is installed, we will add the next part, which is the cross member. The cross member sits perfectly on these 4 gaps. Just like so. There we go. And guess what? Today is leg day for your Micro Pro. For this next step, make sure to slide both legs at the same time because the cross member is not locked yet. Now, let's secure these 3 parts by adding 4 screws. That was so easy. Let's do it again, but now on the back side of the machine. Screws, cross member, legs, and more screws. This is a heavy and strong machine. That's why we needed to have more screws. Do you see those 2 holes? That's where we are going to add 2 more screws so the center bracket is fully secured. Hand tighten so it's easier. Then fully tighten using your 5/32 inches key. Hey, we are getting close to the final steps. That's a strong lift kit right there. The next step is to remove the platform foot. Yes, that one. And we do that by removing these screws. There are 4 total. The platform foot should come out effortlessly after removing all 4 screws. Just like that. Now, this is where things might get a bit tricky. You have to align the 2 big screws to the 2 big screw holes. Then once aligned, push the platform forward a little bit. A second hand is recommended since the platform is a bit heavy. Here we go. Check it out. Push, drop, and bam. The platform is in place. Now, turn those knobs, push the platform forward a little bit, wiggle the platform a little, and keep turning those knobs. See it coming out on the other side. Then once you feel like you can't turn the knobs anymore, grab your 5/32 inches key and tighten those big screws. Time to secure the platform even more. Let's add some more screws, shall we? The back platform has been successfully installed. Let's install the front platform now. To install the front platform, do the same exact steps as you did to install the back platform. Secure the center bracket. Remove the platform foot. Throw away the platform foot. Align the platform to the monorail. Turn the knobs to screw the big screws on the front platform and secure it with the 4 side screws. Give them screws another turn to make sure they are tight enough. And finally, install the handlebars. Would you look at that sexy machine and that strong lift kit for you to work out? Thank you, Mr. Christian, for showing us how to install the lift kit on our Micro Pro.